Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to deactivation Facebook account. Okay, first go to uh, Facebook account, tap on a Facebook account, tap on three line, scroll down, tap on setting and privacy, tap on setting and tap on account center, scroll down, tap on personal details, account ownership and control, deactivation on deletion, selectable account, continue. Now enter your password and tap on continue to deactivation your Facebook account. Okay, thank you.